Hey everyone, this tutorial walks you through fixing Bluetooth connection issues between Sony WS-1000X M6 headphones and Windows 10 or 11 PCs and laptops. Remove the device from Bluetooth settings and repair it by holding the power button for 7 seconds. Ensure Bluetooth is turned on and updated via Device Manager. Set the headphones to WS-1000X M6 stereo in the sound settings for proper audio. Disable hands-free telephony in control panel to prevent low-quality connection. Restart both your PC and the headphones to apply the changes. Why Sony WS-1000X M6 headphones not connecting or pairing to PC, laptop, computer, Windows 11 or 10? Headphones are not in pairing mode. Old or corrupted pairing data exists on the Windows. Windows is trying to connect to the wrong audio profile, example hands-free instead of stereo. Bluetooth module needs to be reset. Headphones are already connected to another device. Fix one, forget and repair the headphones. Remove old or corrupted pairing data and allow a clean, fresh connection with your phone. Turn off the headphones until the blue light turns off. Then press and hold the power button for 7 seconds until you hear Bluetooth pairing and the light flashes blue or red. For Windows 10 or 11, to forget the headset, click the Start menu and open Settings, go to Devices, then Bluetooth and other devices. Find WS1000XM6 in the device list, click on it and select Remove Device, confirm by clicking Yes. To reconnect, turn on your WS1000XM6, hold power button until you have Bluetooth pairing. On your PC, go to Settings, then Bluetooth and Devices, turn on Bluetooth, click Add Device, then Bluetooth. Select WS1000XM6 from the list and follow the prompt. Fix to update Bluetooth driver. Old drivers can cause connection drops or profile mismatches. Connect your device to the stable internet connection. Press Windows plus X, choose Device Manager, expand Bluetooth, right click your adapter, update driver, search automatically. The system will search for the driver and install it. Fix 3. Ensure headphones are not connected elsewhere. Prevents the headphones from auto-connecting to another devices like a PC or tablet, which would block pairing with the Android phone. Disconnect or turn off Bluetooth on other nearby devices, laptop, tablet, etc. Only one active connection may be allowed if multipoint is not enabled. Open the Sony Headphones Connect app on your phone. Connect your WS1000X M6 to the app, click My Devices and select Device Settings. Go to System tab, turn off Connect to two devices simultaneously. Fix 4. Use proper audio profile. Stereo mode uses A2DP, the high quality Bluetooth profile for music and media. It avoids the low quality hands free profile HFP that can cause muffled audio or failed connection. Right click the speaker icon in the taskbar, select sound in the Windows 11 and click more sound settings. Go to playback tab. Find WS1000X M6 stereo in the list, not hands-free AG audio. Click on WS1000X M6 stereo, then click set default. Click OK to confirm and close the window. Fix 5. Restart both devices. Restarting will clear software bugs or memory issues that can interfere with Bluetooth connection. Step 1. Restart Windows. Click the Start menu Windows icon at the bottom left. Click the power icon. Select Restart. Step 2. Restart your headset. Press and hold the power button on the left ear cup for about 2 seconds. Wait until you hear the voice prompt power off. Release the button and wait a few seconds. Press and hold the power button again for about 2 seconds. Release the button when you hear power on. The headset is now restarted. Fix 6. Update the latest firmware. Firmware updates often include battery performance optimization, bug fixes, and improved power management. Through your mobile, open the Sony Headphones Connect app on your smartphone. Select your headset from the dashboard, scroll down, and tap on Dashboard Software automatically to choose when updates should download for your headphones. To manually update, tap Update Software from the dashboard and follow the on screen instructions to start the update. To reset settings, tap Initialize Settings from the dashboard to restore both app and headphone settings to default. Fix 7. Initialize the headphones factory reset. If find the issue with all the devices, then factory reset it. It will delete all old connections and corrupted settings that may block app detection, providing a fresh start. Turn off the headphones, hold the power plus custom NC or AMB buttons for 10 seconds until the indicator flashes. 4 times blue. The headphones are now reset to factory default. Repair them with your phone and open the app. Fix 8. Try wired connection. Helps verify the headphones are functioning properly even if Bluetooth pairing is failing. Useful for testing. Connect your phone to headphones using audio cable. Make sure L-shaped plug into the phone. Connect other end to the input jack on the left ear cup. Open Sony Connect app and select Next. The app will begin automatic search. Select Search for wire headphones from the list. Select the headset from the list. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.